Top 5 Get Glam with these best makeup kits for teens. Learning to apply makeup properly is a rite of passage and can help teens build their confidence and artistic skills. Kits, like these, are a convenient way to provide a variety of cosmetics, along with the tools needed to create either subtle or bold looks. We've provided a wide variety of options, most of which include all the basics, with some featuring more unusual and interesting items. Makeup kits for teens. Flower makeup gift. Charm Code 190 Colors Cosmetic Makeup Palette. Desire Deluxe Hair Chalk for Girls Makeup.
Say goodbye to dull, ordinary hair and hello to a bright, colorful new you. Introducing Desire Deluxe Hair Chalk for kids and adults alike. Featuring 10 distinctive colors, this unique hair chalk set allows you to unleash your creativity and change up your look in mere minutes. Ideal for parties, clubbing, festivals, cosplay, a themed parade, and/or a stage performance. You can mix the colors or match them. You can pick your favorites and blend them. You can even gift them to your friends and family members of any age. Either way, rest assured that your natural hair will stay strong and healthy. Every hair chalk included in the set is made from non-allergenic and non-toxic ingredients. Plus, if you're thinking about trying a new hair color, applying chalk to your tresses is a great way to do it without having to commit to dyeing it. Why? Well, you can simply wash it out with normal shampoo and warm water once you've finished creating your masterpiece. Who knew giving yourself a hair makeover could be this fun? Desire Deluxe Hair Chalk. Colorful hair, colorful life.